Promoting your business can be a huge headache. For one thing, you have to try and describe all the key aspects of your business in ways that will resonate with your audience. You also have to find ways to make it as clear as possible while also being engaging. As a result, trying to explain your business to your audience is more time-consuming than you bargained for. Introducing my animated explainer videos. They're fun, engaging, and simple, so you can relax knowing you're going to get a great video explaining your business. I'll talk with you about the key messages you want to convey, ensuring that nothing is missed. And because the video will be tailored to your business, you can rest assured your audience will love it. I offer 3 clear pricing structures: small, medium, and large. Message me today to see how I can help make explaining your business fun.